Hello everyone, we are from DJ Venture Projects. Today we want to show you unboxing and details of hose clamps. I was looking for actually hose fittings, so I searched in Amazon as usual, and there are a lot of hose fittings I have seen. Uh, and I was looking for some hose fittings for my hydro project, and finally I bought it. This one, Hokipo, okay, hose fittings, and this is now it is currently unavailable. I bought it for rupees 299, and you see what inside. There is a connector, there's a universal tap adapter, and there are 6 numbers of clamps, 0.5 inch hose for 0.75 inch hose for 1.25 inch hose, and they have also given good instructions that how to do it. And these are the clamps. They have shown it that where it can be used. You will see when joining two hoses like this, or joining with taps, and joining with some metal valves to the plastic hose and all those things. Basically this is used for gardening, though I will not review it for gardening because I am using for some other purposes, but this seems like a good product and super combo. So basically these are all connected and in various shape and sizes, so you can use it in all your different kind of requirements. Okay, tap connector pipe is compatible with most tap diameters 13 mm to 17 mm. So this is written here, and if we see the question answer, yes, all type of taps. Is it for all type of taps? Yes. So that's good. We'll check. Okay, and it can be stick with pressure. I'm using washer for tape. Okay, this is not relevant to me now. And review, you see they are not very good, useful, but these are good. There are good reviews also. Okay, so that's it. So there are this product. You'll see there are 46% 5-star.
Hello everyone, so now we'll unpack the hose clamp. I cannot say unbox because it's just a packing, there is no box. Okay, and delivery was super fast as usual from Amazon. So let's open it. So the product finishing is not that good, but it's very soft, it seems good. And this port you can fit it inside, and this will open, of course. Okay, it's rotating. Okay, we'll do that. And this is also the connector from two hoses, this side and this side. And these are the clamps you can see for different hose diameter. Okay, and there's a knob, and the small tool, little big tool, and this is the biggest one. So this is the hose. We can clamp it. So clamp is function like this. Okay, you will see this is the screw. This is the screw with lid, and so this will be locked in these slots that they have made it. So it is a nice engineered product. Okay, now it get locked. Okay, so these are the hose clamps I received. So I will show you how to use this. You can enter this, okay, or you can make this one also, if you see. Yeah, and this one also, if you just rotate it, it will get tightened. Also this one you have to push like this, then put it, then then it's type tough. This one also you can make. Okay, if you feel more tightening is required, you can go and make more clamp, more tighten, or you can open this. And for this you need little bit bigger size, else it will go, but it will take some time. Okay, more you can push, so it will go.
Product links can be found in description box. All these videos are part of our projects, which is listed in this channel. If you think if any other details are required, please do comment and we will address. Also, please do subscribe and click on bell icon if you want to see more interested projects and details.